Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you said I needed to try this one. I'm finally trying it. And if you watched last week's rack store pickup, I ended up grabbing Colognes Island Vanilla Dunes. Did a first impressions review on that. Today, I am looking at Colognes Island. So the original, so to speak, $34.99 for the 100 ml. I do know a little bit about this. It is an extrait de parfum. It's supposed to smell like Les Beaux. I'm excited to try this, so I'm gonna get it on skin as I always do, walk you guys through the opening, the notes, what I pick up, and ultimately let you know if Island from Colognes is actually any good. Let's get into it. Okay, so here you have the presentation. I like these bottles, the Island bottles. I like the gradient and feels really substantial, feels nice and heavy, thick glass, nice heavy cap. Let's take a look at the atomizer. Really nice pressurized atomizer. And let's see what this does. Okay. Yeah, definitely getting that powderiness, the tonka bean, sweet, kind of tropical feel. Smelling it up close, I am getting some of that Middle Eastern twang, a little bit of funk. It's not bad. It's just, it has that kind of Middle Eastern edge to it, which for me, it's not, it can come across as chemically, but this one, not as much. And it's already settling down a little bit. I'm picking up the coconut. It's not quite as sweet as I would have expected. It is leaning more towards the Les Parfums Les Beaux than the EDT, which I personally prefer the EDT over the Les Parfums. I know that a lot of people prefer the Les Parfums. It's just, for me, how I wear that fragrance. It doesn't have the best longevity or projection, but I think it smells great for summer nights out. There's also another element here that stands out, and I think it may be iris. I think it's adding to that powderiness of the scent. I think if you didn't like powdery fragrances, you might still like this one. Definitely has kind of a slightly buttoned up feel to it because of that iris. So although some might think this is just an outright casual fragrance, I think you could also wear this a little more buttoned up. And if you had like maybe an outdoor wedding this summer, this might be the really kind of perfect fragrance to reach for, because it is definitely for the warmer months. That's just you could wear this year round, obviously, but there's something about it that just screams, summer versatility. There are elements here that do come across as synthetic to me. And again, that's me burying my nose and smelling it up close. I think that this is probably a better fragrance in the air in its sillage. Let's take a look at the notes really quick. So the notes for Colognes Island, top notes are pineapple, iris, ginger, and cypress. Mid notes are coconut and woodsy notes. And the base notes are tonka, sandalwood, amber, and ambergris. I really like that addition of the cypress in the top. I think it adds some earthiness. It makes it feel a little bit more balanced. I think it's important for this fragrance because there is a lot of sweeter notes. You have the coconut, the pineapple, even the amber to some degree, which I'm picking up. It's more on the sweeter side. It's a warm, creamy, tropical type of fragrance. So if you are into those, you're going to love this one. I think the JPG is better quality. This is going to put you in the ballpark of that scent. Get really close to it, as a matter of fact, in just overall scent profile, and save you a ton of money. So the only thing that is a question mark for me is the performance. Is this gonna best JPG's Les Beaux Les Parfums in terms of performance? And I can't say that yet, but as I always do, I'm gonna wear it and let you guys know more about the overall performance in my weekly wears video, which drop every single Monday. The 7 fragrances sitting behind me right now, that's last week's rotation. I will link that video down below. It's funny too, because just last night I had dinner with a friend and I wore something similar to Island, and that was Wadi from Maison Azra. This stuff, guys, I can't even begin to tell you how amazing this fragrance is. This is absolute beast mode. I got a compliment from a stranger sitting next to us at the bar. I mean, this stuff is incredible. I know this is a review for this fragrance. I'll talk more about that scent in my weekly wears video. But it does remind me a little bit of this, just personally, like knee-jerk reaction. The Wadi smells way better, but this is good. I mean, I can definitely see why people like this one. For me, I don't think I would reach for this one over my Les Beaux. So, for me, it's redundant in the collection, but it is going to give you that JPG scent profile of the Les Beaux Les Parfums for much, much less. That has never been my favorite version of that fragrance, full disclosure. So, do I love this scent? No, I don't love it. I think it smells really good. So yeah, I'd be curious to know what you guys think of Island from Colognes. Is this a gem in your opinion? Is it one that, you're willing to just tell the world about and say, this is the best fragrance I've ever tried? Or is it just kind of a miss for you? Would love to know. Drop it in the comment section down below. But guys, if you like content like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.